Hello guys, in this video what we are going to see is how to create a zip file and how to extract the zip file using C Sharp in .NET 10. Let me see in this action. First we will take a source directory where which folder we are going to zip it out. Which file we are going to zip it. Okay, then we have to create a destination path. Destination path one level higher than that folder. T:// block, and we need the file name for to zip. The file name will be example2.zip. Okay, then we are going to show the example for extraction, right? For that we created two output folders. We will see the extraction in two ways. So string output 1 is equal to at t:// output 1. Okay, so another folder name is output 2 is equal to at t:// output 2. So these two folders we will take it as example. So now see how we will get a zip file. For that we will use the class name zip file. Zip file dot create from directory async. Okay. For that what is the input source directory name? That means which folder we are going to use it for zip. The source directory is there. Next one is destination. So destination we can give the destination archive file name. So for that we will give the path dot combine destination path comma file name. So this will act as a destination. The next one is compression level. Compression level should be smallest size. And the next is whether we want to include base directory in the zip. Yes, we are going to need it there. So this that's it. This one line will give you a zip file. Okay, it's an async method, so I will put it as await. So the next line we are going to extract it. You will see it in two ways. One in single method, another one is in detail. So how are you going to extract? Zip file dot extract to directory async. Source path where it is? It is from the destination path where we get the zip file. Destination path comma file name. Okay, this is the source. Where we want to extract it, we will give the output folder 1 which is needs to extract. Okay, the next parameter, whether you want to override the file if it is already exists. Yes, true. This two line is enough to create a file and extract the file. First we will see this. Next we will see the detailed one how we get a single file by file. Okay. See, now if you run the application, it's done. So if you go inside the folder, you can see the example 2 zip file. Okay, it's zipped and we extracted into output folder, output 1, and here you can see the extraction. Okay, now we will see in detail file by file how we extract and create it. Now we will delete this and also the input file which is already get as a zip file. This example 2 we will delete this. This also we will delete this. Now we'll see in different way how we will do extract the file. Okay. For that we have to refer zip file dot open open read async. What this will give you? This will give you the zip archive. Okay. From where we have to read the archive file name? From the path dot combine destination path comma file name. Okay, next parameter, no, that's a cancellation token. So for this, what we have to do, await it. Okay, and take the entries, zip files. Okay, now we are going to loop it out one by entry, and we are going to create a files. For that, for each zip file start entries. Okay, this entry will consist of file details. For example, item dot full name is the file name along with the path. Now we will create another destination output path. So for that, test path output to path folder, path dot combine output to comma item dot full name. So this is the destination path where we're going to create each file. For each file it will change. Okay, now we have to create a directory. Directory dot create directory for the path. Get directory name of this destination path. Okay, this will give, it will get the parent directory of that file path. Next, we are going to create it using stream. How we will get it? Item dot open async. Okay, here await using where zip stream await. We need a file stream also, right? For that we will create a file stream. Await using a where file stream equal to file dot write open write. Where you are going to write in the destination path, and anything you are going to do, give another parameter? No, the only parameter is destination path. File dot open write. How you are going to write it? Just zip stream dot copy to sync file stream. Now this will write you the or create you the each file in the output path. Can you see the output? Now we will build the application and run it. Yes, it's created. If you see, the example 2 is created. This is a zip file. In the output 1, we can see the folder and the extracted files. In the output 2 folder, we will see the folder and extracted files. That's it, guys. In this video, we learned how to create a zip file and extract the zip file using C# and .NET 10. If you like my video, like it, subscribe it and comment it and share it to the others. If you want this code, I will create a document and share it in the description. Please refer it. Thank you, guys.